Abby, it's your surprise birthday party. Surprise! I hope you're having a really good time. This video is just going to be some of your friends saying some things that they want to say to you. Something I want to say to you is happy birthday, you're glorious, you're beautiful, you're so kind, and you deserve the best. So you better enjoy yourself tonight, and I hope you're surprised. Alright, so enjoy the video.
Happy birthday, Abigail. Love you.
Happy birthday, Abby. Happy having a good day.
Hi Abby, happy 18th birthday. I hope you have a really good one and I love you very much.
Happy birthday, Abigail. Love you.
Hi, Ate Abby. Happy birthday. I love you and thank you for all. You're always here for me and for us. Salamat sa lahat. Sana palagi kang maging mabait sa amin kasi mahal ka din namin. Thank you. Happy birthday. You're 18 now, so you get to do everything that you want to do, and I wish you all the best, and God bless. Love you. Happy birthday, Abby. Enjoy your tea. I love you.
Hi Abby, I love you.
Happy birthday.
Hi Abby, happy birthday. You're 18 now, the big 18. Hope you have a great day. I love having you on the exec. You're an awesome team member and you have the most amazing book taste. So that's awesome. Hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday Abby.
Hey, Abby. Happy birthday. Hope you have a good one.
Yeah.
Don't drink too much. Love you.
Happy birthday, Abby! I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for being such an awesome friend. Really enjoy having you in my classes, and you're just so caring, and I just really enjoy your personality and your friendship. So thank you, and I hope this year is awesome and that it will reveal many, 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 many more amazing years to come.
Happy birthday, Abby. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. We love you.
Happy birthday Abby.
Happy birthday, Abby!
We love you.
Love you.
I love you.
Love you.
Love you. Love you. Love you.
We love you.